We are traveling to the Netherlands for our next Trappist beer. One of two Dutch Trappist breweries, Brewery de Koningshoeven, produces Trappe Beers, and today we're going to start off with their Dubbel. Subscribe and follow along on this series on Trappist beers. Let's do it. Trappe Dubbel. The Abdij OLV Koningshoeven, or Koningshoeven Abbey, is located in the southern part of the Netherlands, a few kilometers north of the Belgian border. Koningshoeven got its name because it was built on the king's farmland, and literally means king's farmhouses in Dutch. French Trappist monks started an abbey here in 1881 and soon expanded with a brewery as a means of supporting themselves and their charitable work. What used to be a sheep farm has now grown into one of the biggest and most popular Trappist breweries in the world. The brand La Trappe is named after the original founding abbey of the Trappist order, which is l'Abbaye Notre-Dame de la Trappe in the French province of Normandy. This authentic Trappist brewery has been more expansive than most Trappists in the range of beers that they brew, as they currently produce 9 different beer styles, as well as having produced some temporary limited edition beers in the past. The Trappe Dubbel was introduced in 1980, coinciding with a rebranding of the brewery. It's a dark brown Trappist Dubbel-style beer, coming in at 7% ABV, brewed with Munich, pale and caramel malts, and local spring water. The glassware is a gold-rimmed, elegant chalice with beautiful gold lettering, Trappe Trappist Abdij OLV Koningshoeven. Koningshoeven is one of the few Trappist breweries that has more than one custom glassware, depending on the beer you're serving. For the Dubbel, we use the chalice. So let's get pouring. A beautiful deep rich brown color with a light tint of reddish copper amber too. It almost glows with a hint of red in the light. It's got a creamy ivory tan head. Look at that, beautiful beer. Aromas? Characteristic of the style. Dried fruits, prunes, raisins, also toffee and caramel. Let's try it. Classic Dubbel-style beer, malty, rich dark fruit, figs and plums and dates. A bit yeasty or bready-like. Medium-bodied, decently carbonated. 7% ABV for me comes in just at the right amount where the alcohol notes don't take center stage but contribute to the body and the finish. I really like this range. Really a great beer to go with a hearty meal, great to drink in fall, winter, or cold weather. Delicious. The Trappe glassware is available online, as always, and many fine beer stores carry bottles of Trappe beer. Why not try it out? Follow along on this series for our next Trappist beer, as well as lots of other delicious content. Hope you enjoy. Cheers.